Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade hot chocolate with cocoa beans. I'm going to start with a liter of water. So here I have a half a cup of roasted cocoa beans, 20 roasted almonds, and half a cinnamon stick. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Ready? So now the water is boiling. We're going to add the cocoa and almond powder. I always like to stir it with a molinillo. This is a tool that people use in Mexico to make it more foamy. We call it espumoso. Now it's ready, we're gonna give it a try. And now we're gonna taste the homemade hot chocolate made out of cocoa beans and almonds. I'm gonna try it with a concha, which is one of the most popular Mexican pastries. I'm gonna do it, we call it sopeadito.